Black man.
Yeah.
Oh, you
That's what I'm talking about.
Ooh, y'all heard that motherfucker.
Sounding like that. Straight to go. Next day and all great. Look at that bitches.
Y'all see it.
So hard? You better fix it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I thought you was saying, hey, lift it back in. Lift that back in. Oh, that's it.
Y'all boys see the bill here. The bill here ain't fucking with him.
What's up?
There you go. Lift it. There you go.
And nigga just left us on the ride out.
Right here.
It's okay though.
Look. That's why we want cranking up. This bitch is hitting the ground and shutting the vehicle off.
That had something to hold that bitch up.
No, we gotta take that bitch up.
That's all I just said.
Cause that bitch is
I'm
sparking.
trying to hold that bitch up.
I think it's...
You ain't got no duct tape? You ain't got no duct tape?
Yeah, man. I catch y'all niggas in the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Your eyes gonna be puffy as hell when I take the glasses off. You gonna be like, what's wrong? You straight? I'm like, I'm good. Put the trunk down in there and do it. I got a lot of shit on my mind, a lot of shit I gotta do. See, when you come over tomorrow, I'll fix your bike, cause I told you, you got a lifetime guarantee with me. No matter what. That's why I'm like, give me what I asked you for. You ain't gotta never worry about nigga. You got brother.
Running.
Hey, look, set this up. Put it. You do that for me?
I slapped the chain back on this bitch. Get dog back running out here.
Put it back on. Hey, can you wrap that on there for me? Put it back on so I can tap this shit back on. You can get on up out of here and I can finish my shit. The shit started up. Niggas just ain't pulling that
Pulling that bitch, yeah.
My chain broke.
Got that bitch out here.
I just broke.
It's a mic, baby. Out here on that bill. That's the bill right here, my man. Putting together, I help a little bit, not too much. See where y'all see.
I'm like, what the fuck?
But it cranked it good. Sound like a monster. Wait till y'all see that boy in the daytime though. Still got a little few more. Go ahead and get done. Still gotta put that seat back on, you know.
Oh, you lost the spring to your attention. I don't know. This motherfucker was smoking from right here, man. Like, why was that bitch smoking like that? Look, you lost the shit to your attention. That's why you fell off.
Yeah.
You hear me together now? Yeah. So why this motherfucker be smoking from right here? Look, doing that shit. Okay, yeah, dick.
He went off for this.
Hell yeah, he doing that.
Yeah. Just know.
Sitting there like this.
Okay then, bitch, I see you. Okay then. Yeah.
That nigga crazy. Can you do that for me real quick? Yes. Yes. I'm ready to ride. I want to ride too. All right, man. Put me together. I'm close as hell.
You ain't got one of mine.
You about to take my time. I got some money on your bike. When I just heard that bitch just crank up. Then she crank up.
That bitch cranked it up. That bitch cranked it up, Dirt.
No, oh, shit. Go give me a wine real quick. I think I gotta go pick this bitch up.
No. Yeah.
Come on, man. Yeah.
Bill here. I see.
Get that wine, black man. What's going on? Go get the wine.
Bill here. All the work.
I ain't touching it.
And them boys gonna do next to get fixed.
Right now.
I'm saying taking their time on it.
Leave out at 9:30. Okay, I'll leave out at 9:30. All right. How the fuck do you want me to go get you a wine, dog? I need a wine, man.
How?
Get some money.
How?
Give me a bite. Hey, man, Gus, you gonna get a wine from me?
Yeah.
Boom, simple.
No. Bill throwing from. No. Y'all see my little shooter. Y'all finish that boy. Tune that boy down.
Them niggas out, ain't they?
Man, them niggas gone. Them niggas dipped out.
went to the gas station and my chain popped.
Tune me down some, get that boy back quiet. You know.
I was gonna ride until about 9. I gotta go pick up this bitch.
Hey, I don't even know what happened to my cigarette, bro. What happened to my cigarette?
There's one right there.
Huh?
There's a cigarette right there.
Where?
Over there by the porch.
2 of them.
One.
Damn, nigga. Give me a bite. I know it was dollar bitch ass. Give me a bite. Only nigga that'll play with a nigga like that.
Give me a bite, Twan.
Huh?
Give me a bite.
What that mean?
So I can go to the store, man. You can fix my shit.
Yeah. You're no disrespect, man.
Hey, see that bitch more better now.
I'm drinking.
See that ain't going right there. She going back on.
Drinking right now. I'm so stressed the fuck out.
I can buy
Big
you a
boy.
drink right now.
Big boy.
Hey, Twan, I can buy you a drink right
Henry
now.
Block. Yeah,
Take that in the backyard, bro. I don't
Yeah.
want to see shit that we ain't.
it's like a motorcycle,
You know, I
baby.
ain't, you know I love you to death, bro, and I ain't talking to you crazy. But I gotta, it's not you I'm talking to. I'm just talking to my shit. But guess what, guess what, I'm not about to lean on you to disrespect you. You know what I'm saying? So you can throw that shit to the side, man. Now time to looking at shit that we ain't working on. After tomorrow, my whole life changed. If I'm fucking with my house, I don't want this no more. I'm gonna fix this man's truck.
That man
Give me my
lying,
money,
y'all.
Get the fuck on. Cause you acting weird. Nah, you ride past, you ain't saying hi no more.
That man
Nigga,
lying.
you been knowing me since we was 6. Nigga, say you want your truck.
This nigga gonna get, that nigga gonna be back on the bikes. That man lying. That nigga gonna be back on the bike, y'all. That man lying, bro. You see this shit? As soon as this bitch get up, boy, that nigga gonna
I'm
go
about to tune
crazy.
that bitch. Soon when I get dog in motion, I'm about to tune it. That bitch about to be running like. Guess what's gonna happen?
Yes, sir. Big block
I'm gonna
with the
put the
Hemi on
bang
it.
in the book bag, and I'm gonna let them wires hang, and I'm just about to ride that hoe.
About to ride.
I'm about to go catch them niggas.
I just went to the gas station to put some gas to ride.
I'm about to go catch them niggas.
I can't even catch it.
Damn, I had to go out I'm riding that bitch. That bitch look good there.
That
Tell the
man look
Swear to God.
beautiful, dog.
Swear to God, that bitch
I'm
look
telling
good.
you, when niggas see this bitch flying, I'm telling you, bro. This bitch about to go. This bitch about to go out there.
Why you don't jump the cord?
Huh?
I know. I ain't had 10 man that niggas.
He got one more built for y'all boys.
They ain't real like, bro. I gotta get that. Y'all like these niggas over there got 8 balls. And we over here, nigga, smoking a nickel. You know where I'm coming from? Nigga wanna get high. I was like, go ahead. You know where I'm coming from? Go. He talking about, you got me waiting. I gotta work tomorrow. You gonna be riding all night. Nigga, I'm like, bro, just go. I ain't worried about, I don't give a fuck about dressing nobody.
Swear.
This shit is cursing. You hear me? So when this bitch gets to running, guess what? Never. I don't think I ain't got no hoes to love me. I go pick that bitch up on this bitch and we go get a room.
I'm trying to buy you for
Because
one. Can I buy you for one?
Yes.
But you not.
I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
You want me to
Good
walk?
bill.
No, okay, I'm gonna walk.
Good
No,
bill.
you need, no, sir. You need to get him the money. He's gonna go get the wine.
I'm gonna walk.
Got a
Man,
good
bro,
bill
he's going to get the
on.
wine and the pizza.
Everybody love us for the
We
ride
riding
out. It's okay though.
There ain't one nigga in the ghetto that play like that.
You know.
But you know them niggas plugs, you ain't gonna get little seizures on that bitch for real. Oh, it's a real grown man, shit about 100 of them bitches be on them. Had them bitches stacked up like
So when I
this.
come back,
I mean, bro, no, I want my wine right now. Get him in the money. I'm broke, bro. Get him in the money. I'm about to do your shit. Look, your chain right here, one link. Take the link off, pop it off. Go ahead and do this shit. I'm about to chop that shit, chop that the best way I can.
man. Bring my hands back. You can do that.
That's